How to use a time inventory to increase productivity. A time inventory is a time management strategy that helps you gain clarity on where your time is going and determine how you can get time back to focus on the tasks and activities that make you feel like your most productive self, both at work and at home. Hi, my name is Tony with the Integrify team, and today I'm going to show you how to create a time inventory and how to use it to maximize your productivity. Find the right tracking tool. In order to successfully conduct a time inventory and use it to increase productivity, you need a way to track your time. There are a ton of time tracking tools on the market. It's just about finding the right tracking app for you. There are desktop tracking apps or mobile apps, but if you like to keep things simple, you could track it manually in a notebook or spreadsheet. Next, track your time for 1 week. Once you have the right tool, you can begin your time inventory. Keep track of how you're spending your time each day. Categorize each block of time based on the activity. The more specific you are as you're tracking your time, the easier it'll be to identify the most and least productive parts of your day. Your inventory could look something like this. From 8:30 to 9, reading emails. From 9 to 9:15, checking your social media. 9:15 to 10, working on a project. 10 to 11, sit in on a conference call. 11 to 12, walk outside and eat lunch. 12 to 1, starting and folding laundry. I think you get the point from here. Next, dig into the data. Once you have a week's worth of data to look into, check to see where most of your time is going. On tracking apps, they will most likely categorize your time and show you where your time is being spent. If you are doing it manually, consider color coordinating your different categories. Leveraging the data to get a clear idea of where your time is going is crucial to using a time inventory. And lastly, eliminate the time sucks and reclaim your time. A time suck would be activities that are preventing you to spend your time in productive ways. For example, tasks you could delegate to someone else. Mindless tasks like scrolling on your phone, or sitting in on weekly meetings that aren't necessarily benefiting you or your role. The bottom line is, a time inventory is used to eliminate time wasters and reorganize your schedule in a way that supports your highest level of productivity. Integrify, making you more productive.